Hello, English learners. Welcome to the English Insight Podcast. We are truly excited to have you here today. If this is your first time joining us, welcome to a place where ambition meets knowledge, where we grow together, improve our English, and explore the powerful ideas that can transform our future. And if you are already part of this incredible community, welcome back. Today, we are diving into a bold, exciting, and highly ambitious topic, one that captures the dreams of millions around the world. Today's episode is how to make your first $1 million in 6 months. Now, before we begin, let's be honest. Building $1 million in 6 months is not easy. It is not a guaranteed path, and it certainly is not something that happens through wishful thinking alone. This level of financial success demands extraordinary focus, strategic thinking, massive action, and often calculated risk. But while it may sound extreme, understanding the principles behind rapid wealth creation can completely shift the way you think about money, business, and opportunity. The first thing to understand is this: becoming wealthy quickly usually requires value creation at scale. In simple words, you must solve problems that many people are willing to pay for. Wealth is often created not by trading time for money alone, but by building systems, businesses, or services that can reach large numbers of people. This is why entrepreneurship is often one of the fastest paths to significant financial growth. Starting a scalable online business, building a high-income skill, launching digital products, creating educational content, offering in-demand services, or developing e-commerce brands are all examples of opportunities with larger earning potential than traditional income alone. One of the most realistic strategies is mastering a high-value skill first. Skills like sales, digital marketing, copywriting, software development, consulting, content creation, or investing can dramatically increase your income potential. Why? Because high-income skills solve expensive problems. Businesses are willing to pay well for people who can help them generate revenue, save time, or expand growth. For example, if you become highly skilled in digital marketing or sales, you may be able to help businesses generate thousands or even millions in additional revenue. In return, your own income can rise rapidly. This is why learning practical, marketable skills can often be more powerful than simply relying on traditional employment. The next essential factor is leverage. Wealthy individuals often use leverage to multiply their efforts. This can include technology, social media, paid advertising, teams, automation, or investments. Instead of earning only from direct labor, they create systems that continue generating income at scale. Social media and content creation, for example, have created opportunities that did not exist for previous generations. Building an audience, creating educational videos, monetizing knowledge, or selling products online can dramatically increase earning potential when executed strategically. However, ambition without discipline often leads nowhere. To pursue aggressive financial goals, your time management must become exceptional. Every hour matters. Successful entrepreneurs and high achievers often prioritize productivity, learning, execution, and strategic networking. They focus intensely on activities that generate measurable growth. Networking is another often underestimated key. Building relationships with successful individuals, mentors, investors, or skilled partners can accelerate opportunities dramatically. Sometimes, the right connection can save years of struggle by providing knowledge, guidance, or collaboration. It is also important to address reality. Many people chase quick wealth through unrealistic shortcuts, scams, or poor decisions. True financial success is usually built through value, discipline, and strategic execution, not blind luck. There are risks in any aggressive wealth-building journey, and success often requires resilience when setbacks occur. Failure may happen. Mistakes may happen. Markets may shift. But adaptability is often what separates successful entrepreneurs from those who quit. The ability to learn quickly, adjust strategies, and persist through challenges is absolutely critical. In practical terms, if someone seriously aimed to pursue $1 million goal in 6 months, they would likely need to focus on one or more of the following: building or scaling a business, closing high-ticket sales, launching a highly profitable product, leveraging investments, creating scalable digital assets, or expanding an existing successful operation. This goal is not typically achieved through saving money alone. It requires expansion, innovation, and often aggressive business growth. That is why mindset is so important. You must begin thinking beyond small limitations and start understanding how wealth is created through scale. But even if $1 million in 6 months feels unrealistic for most people, the principles behind this goal can still change your life. Learning high-income skills, building discipline, increasing productivity, developing scalable income streams, and thinking strategically can dramatically improve your financial future, regardless of your starting point. Sometimes, the true value of bold goals is not only reaching them exactly, but becoming the kind of person capable of extraordinary progress. Even if you do not reach 1 million immediately, pursuing ambitious growth can elevate your income, knowledge, and confidence far beyond where you started. So dream boldly, but act wisely. Focus on learning. Focus on value creation. Focus on scalable opportunities. Protect your time. Build strong networks. Stay disciplined. And most importantly, remember that financial growth is often a byproduct of becoming more useful, more strategic, and more capable. Thank you for joining us today on the English Insight podcast. We hope this episode inspires you to think bigger, act smarter, and pursue your goals with courage and clarity. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep building the future you deserve. Because sometimes, one powerful decision can completely transform your life.